At this moment I have something to share with you people, because I saw in my comment box. So I saw in my comment box they asking me how to learn keyboard. If I have that interest also, it's very difficult for me because I don't have money. I cannot buy keyboard. I coming from poor family like that. Same like me also, same. When I start to learn keyboard, I don't have any instrument. I don't have anything. I have that interest to play in music, but I don't have any keyboard. I don't have any guitars. I don't have anything. What to do? One day I saw to my friend, they are just playing the keyboard in the mobile. So at that time only I have interest and I get some idea. Oh, you can play keyboard in mobile, so that is a good for me actually. Then at night time when I go home, I suddenly take my mobile, I open the Play Store and I try to download one keyboard app from the Play Store, and I try to learn the song from that. From that day only I have that interest to play the keyboard. If you want to sing, there is no way for you that you have a problem or a difficult. You can tell that I cannot do this, I cannot do that. That is not the way actually, because only from your mobile you can play thousands of songs, you can play hundreds of songs, you can play any song. You can download only from the Play Store one piano or keyboard app, so you can play it. If you don't believe me, I will show you how to play, and I will show you my mobile. I play now in my mobile. This is my gospel song, first song that I learned from my mobile, because at that time I don't have any instrument, I don't have anything because I don't have money. So I just download it from the Play Store and I try to sing, I try to learn. From that time only I learn how to play keyboard. Here we go, you'll see. God is so great, God is so kind. God is so good. God is so kind. I was trying to sing with this song. You are holy. You are holy. You are holy. I will sing with his song. You see, if you have the interest, you can do something special for your life. Don't think that I don't have money, I cannot have money to buy keyboard, I don't have anything, so how I can learn music. That is not the way actually. So if you have interest, we can do something special for your life. First thing, we have to learn. So if we have only one mobile, and you can download it from the Play Store and you can learn it. After that, if you have money, you can buy. That is so only this information I want to share you at this morning. Thank you so much. If you like this video, you can like to my video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for a new update. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.